How to fix Gboard not working and not opening problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the Gboard not working and not opening problem. Okay, so guys, if you are uh, unable to open your Gboard, or if you are unable to use the Gboard, okay, then how you can fix this problem. In this video I'm going to tell you the solution. By watching this video you can simply fix the problem, and guys, you can easily use the Gboard in your mobile. Okay, so guys, I am also using the Gboard in my phone, so I'm using without any problem. Okay, so why I'm not getting any kind of problem, so I'll tell you that reason. Okay, but now guys, I want you to see that I am using here the Gboard. Okay, this is Gboard. So if you want to use Gboard, but guys, if you are unable to use the Gboard, and if your Gboard is not working, not opening, okay, if you are facing this kind of problem, then simply stay tuned with the video. I'll tell you the solution. Just sit, relax and watch it, okay, and solve your problem. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Okay, so now let's begin the tutorial. So at the first, guys, what you have to do if your Gboard is not working or not opening, okay, so for that you just have to go to Play Store, and guys, here you have to search for your Gboard. Okay, so Gboard is an application, so just type here Gboard, Gboard, and now search it. So guys, we have found it. So this is our Gboard, and now what we have to do here, we have to update it. Okay, we have to update it because we cannot uninstall. Okay, we cannot uninstall the Gboard, it is already in our device. Okay, there is no such option to uninstall your Gboard, but guys, you have to update it. Okay, go and update it from the Play Store, and then guys, go to setting, and after that you have to scroll down here. Okay, you have to scroll down here until you find the apps. So go to apps, and then you have to open up the manage apps, or you may find here install apps. Okay, and then guys, scroll down and find out your Gboard. So it may take time, so directly go to search and then type here Gboard. Okay, so it is not showing. So if it is not showing, then click on the three dots, show all apps. Okay, click on the show all apps, and now let's find it out. Gboard. Okay, so we have found it. So now tap and open, and after that guys, force stop your Gboard, and then guys, you have to clear the data of your Gboard. Okay, if your Gboard is unable to use in your device, okay, clear the data and go to app permission. If there is permission, allow it. Okay, so guys, just allow the permissions. We don't need location, so just allow the permission, and then guys, restart your device, and your Gboard problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so this is how you can fix the Gboard not working and opening problem in your Android device. So guys, if your problem is fixed by doing this solution, then your job is done, your problem is solved. Okay, but if you are still having the same problem, and if you are still unable to open the Gboard, then guys, what you have to do in the next method is go to your setting, go to about phone, and update your mobile software. Okay, this is the last option. Update your mobile software, and then guys, you can easily use the Gboard. Okay, because of not updating, we face this kind of problem. So just update it, and then guys, check, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so this is how you can fix the Gboard problem in your Android device. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.